What I've been told about diodes is they limit the current to go in one direction. I have a breadboard here, so I'll put together a really simple circuit to test it out. I guess I'll get a resistor. This should be a 1K. So row 35 is going to get some power. And then I'm going to, I guess, get an LED. Oh, I'll put it to ground. So we have power coming in on the resistor, and then the LED is going to ground. So we need to just connect these two. So I'll test that with a diode. I have a lot of different ones, and I don't really know what the difference is. I think the bigger the diode is probably the higher voltage and current that it can take. The writing doesn't really make much sense to me. IN5822. So I don't really see anything regarding voltage or current. It did come in this box, like a little kit with a bunch of stuff on it, and the diodes are here, but again, it's just the serial numbers, so it doesn't really tell me anything about the voltage. So I'm gonna just take one of these guys because they're pretty big. I'm gonna try and see if it fits. It's a little tough. All right, so I have that connected here. So we have the resistor bringing power to this row where the diode is connected to, and then it's gonna go to the LED and hopefully illuminate it. So let's plug this in and try it out. So I'm gonna put in power, 1 and a 2. All right, so our LED is not on. Right now everything should be working. Maybe it's the wrong way. I don't really know which way is forward. I don't see a plus or a minus. Make sure nothing is hot. And let's try it the other way, I guess. Oh, I have light now. Yeah, that's cool. So it looks like they all have a strip. It's probably the strip. Yeah, there's a strip at the bottom here. Let's test it with another one and see if it's consistent. But it seems to me like the strip is the negative. This gray sort of bar at the bottom means that this side is negative and this side is positive. And the reason why I'm assuming that is because the capacitors have something similar. This strip means it's negative, but this actually has like a negative symbol on it. So I think it's similar. Let's try it out with another one and see. So I'm gonna plug out this, and I'm gonna just plug in maybe this guy who's a lot smaller. So our strip is here, thinking that's negative. And let's plug him in. Oh wait, I put it the wrong way. So yeah, this is definitely negative. So let's flip this over. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. It's allowing current to flow through because this is positive and this is negative. The positive is coming through the resistor, going through the diode. But when we have it in the reverse direction, it does not allow the current to flow. So that, yeah, that's pretty useful. So I guess that's pretty much it. I will try and use them in the future. I'm sure there's going to be some situation where I need to stop things from back flowing, I guess. So it's good to know. And by the way, I think the LED itself is a diode, right? It's a light emitting diode. If we put him backwards, he should not illuminate, right? But if we put it the right way, it does illuminate. So yeah, that makes a lot of sense to me because I know that the long leg of the LED needs to go into the positive position, and then the small leg is the negative terminal. So that makes a lot of sense. This is a diode that I've been using the whole time unknowingly, but these are the actual diodes. So that is cool.